Hi there, students. A peppercorn. A peppercorn rent. Okay, so a peppercorn, the real meaning, is a seed from the plant Piper nigratum. You put pepper on your food, you grind it, yeah? And a peppercorn is one of these round seeds. But very often we use this phrase, a peppercorn, to satisfy a legal contract. For example, the tenant pays a peppercorn rent. Okay, so a peppercorn rent, this is a nominal rent originally. Okay, for you can rent this house for a year as long as you pay me 1 peppercorn. Yeah, so something very small or insignificant. Yeah, let's see, we use this word peppercorn in law. Let's see, legally a contract, both sides have to give something to the other. Something needs to be exchanged, yeah, for a contract to be valid. Yeah, so the peppercorn is when it's like making it a gift, but technically and legally it's not a gift. Yeah, it's a very small payment, yeah, or a very small amount. Yeah, okay, what's actually quite funny about it is when this term first came in, pepper was actually quite an expensive thing. But it's in English nowadays we use this word a peppercorn to mean something that is of insignificance. Okay, so for this contract to be valid, you give me everything you have, or you sell me everything you have in exchange for a peppercorn, something very, very small. And that makes it a legal contract. Yeah, if something's not exchanged, it's not a legal contract. So, peppercorn rents still exist, old rents where the terms of the contract cannot be modified. Yeah, wouldn't you be happy to pay a peppercorn rent for where you live? I'm certain you would. Okay, so a peppercorn rent, a peppercorn, something insignificant, something that doesn't have any significant value. Yeah, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A peppercorn rent.